Buffers doing a better job this round.
Always keep it safe.
Make a retreat to the core.
This isn't just another projector. Now, this is the world's first true mobile station combining sharp 4K laser projection, Dolby Atmos spatial sound, and dual wireless mics that can turn any movie night into a full karaoke party in seconds. It's definitely the first time I've come across a true all-in-one system built to deliver a full cinema experience anywhere you take it. Say hello to the soundcore Nebula X1 Pro. Indoors, outdoors, parties, or family nights, the X1 Pro is built to handle it all. Now, it comes in a single well-packaged box that's easy to disassemble thanks to the instruction printed right on top. You'll also find a protective cover inside the box for transporting it or storing it. The moment I pulled it out, my first thought was that it looked like a massive boombox, but trust me, this is way more than just a speaker. What makes it even more exciting is that Nebula is joining Soundcore, combining their projector expertise with Soundcore's audio engineering to deliver a next-level audiovisual experience across their combined products. The X1 Pro comes in a stealthy dark gray finish that matches other Nebula and Soundcore products. It's not small or light, but it's definitely designed for mobility. It has a retractable telescopic handle with a quick release button, a set of rugged all-terrain wheels that roll smoothly, both indoors and outdoors, as well as built-in handles on the top and bottom to help lift it off the ground. At the front, there's a small compartment that hides a 2-meter retractable power cable, and right above that, you'll find the projector's lens protected by a sliding cover. Up top, you'll find the main control panel with the mode switch button for turning on the Bluetooth speaker versus the projector, along with quick access to power, volume, and other essential controls. Just below that is a button that opens a hidden compartment, neatly storing the 2 wireless karaoke mics, the remote control, and a mesh pocket with a couple of USB-C cables, as well as a pair of Type 3A batteries. There's even a built-in sensor light that automatically turns on when you open it. So everything inside is always easy to see and find, even in the dark. Around the back, there's another sealed compartment that holds all of the I/O ports. There's a single HDMI port for media devices, 2 USB Type-C ports, and 1 USB Type-A for connecting external devices or playing back, offline media off of a USB stick. Okay, so here's the part that really blew me away. The X1 Pro has detachable speakers that are stored right inside of the main unit. When you're ready for surround sound, you just pop them out and they automatically sync over ultra low latency Wi-Fi. With 12 channels in total and only 25 milliseconds of system delay between them, the sound feels instant and perfectly in sync with what's on the screen. This setup can easily replace a dedicated surround sound system, which usually costs more, even for a Midas package. The front surrounds have a horizontal design, kind of like compact Bluetooth speakers. They eject at the push of a button located on the control panel and are ready to be placed on either side of the display. Each one packs 4 drivers, delivering 80 watts of output, 8 hours of battery life, PD fast charging over USB Type-C, and an IP54 weather rating. They're also tripod mountable with threaded holes underneath for better ear height placement. The rear surrounds are taller and shaped more like vertical Bluetooth speakers. They slide out from the main unit and can be placed behind your seating area using the built-in foldable stands or mounted on tripods. Each delivers 40 watts of power, supports USB Type-C PD charging as well, and also carries an IP54 rating. All 4 speakers share the same simple 1-button control for power and pairing with up to 8 hours of runtime. And charging is seamless. Just power on the X1 Pro, dock the speakers, and they recharge directly from the main unit. The subwoofer is also built right into the X1 Pro. With dual drivers and the tuned enclosure, it pushes out up to 107 decibels of bass that feels massive in real use. And because it connects through a wired channel, it stays rock solid and stable even during the most demanding bass-heavy scenes. Setup is simple. A quick tutorial appears every time you power on the projector, guiding you through the speaker placement. Just eject the front speakers and set them on either side of the display, then pull out the rears and place them behind your seating area. They connect automatically and sync in seconds. Now, while each speaker has foldable stands, for the best results, tripods or mounts give you the proper ear level height. All 4 wireless speakers run on battery, so the only thing you need to plug in is the main unit with its built-in subwoofer. That single cable design makes the whole system easy to move and perfect for mobile setups. The system is also super flexible to where you can use all 4 speakers for a full 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos experience, scaled down to 2 speakers for 5.1.2, or run it as a simple 2.1 setup. When fully deployed, the X1 Pro delivers room-filling Dolby Atmos sound that's incredibly immersive. You can hear gunshots traveling across all 4 speakers, subtle details isolated in their own space, and bass you can actually feel during explosions or heavy music. The X1 Pro also comes with 2 wireless mics designed for karaoke and parties. They have a clean, minimalist look with onboard controls for power, volume, and AI voice removal. The connection runs at just 15 milliseconds of latency, keeping vocals perfectly in sync with the music. Battery life is outstanding on them as well, with each one being rated for up to 40 hours on a full charge. Also, thanks to the AI-powered vocal removal built directly into the X1 Pro, you can turn almost any track into a karaoke version instantly without needing special backing tracks. Pair these with the projector and the surround sound system, and the X1 Pro turns into more than just a home theater. It becomes a karaoke bar and party speaker that you can take just about anywhere. One of the best things about the X1 Pro is how simple it is to set up and use. Whether indoors or outdoors, just place the main unit in front of your screen, position the wireless speakers, and you're ready to go. The projector is also packed with smart features that make setup effortless. With AI spatial adaptation, it automatically handles keystone correction, focus, zoom, and screen size with a single click. It scans your wall and optimizes placement to deliver the largest lossless image possible. A built-in 25-degree auto micro gimbal also allows it to adapt to walls up to 10 feet high. On top of that, you get wall color adaptation for non-white surfaces and an eye guard mode that dims the projector whenever someone walks in front of the beam. The X1 Pro also supports 3D viewing. You're just going to need a pair of DLP-Link glasses that you have to purchase separately to take advantage of it. On the software side, it runs Google TV OS, giving you the same polished interface you'd expect on Google Smart TVs. It's smooth, fast, and easy to navigate with quick access to apps like Netflix and YouTube. And if you're outdoors without Wi-Fi, you can still plug in a USB stick to stream offline content. The surround system also includes a smart feature called FlexWave. This uses real-time mapping to detect your environment and adjust the soundstage automatically based on speaker placement and content type. Whether you're indoors with walls or outside in the open, it adapts on the fly. FlexWave relies on a 4-mic array built into the top of the units to pinpoint speaker positions, then fine-tunes volumes, direction, and EQ. You can even set your own preferred sweet spot with a simple drag, creating perfectly balanced immersive sound no matter where you sit. Now, with up to 3,500 lumens of brightness and a patented tricolor laser engine, the X1 Pro puts out a sharp and a vibrant image. It comes with Nebula Master as well for high dynamic contrast and also supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, giving you deep blacks, rich colors, and an overall image that honestly feels closer to a bright OLED TV than a traditional projector. Watching movies with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos both enabled is a true cinematic experience where visuals are vibrant and lifelike, while the surround sound makes you feel completely immersed. Now, if you're a gamer, you'll be happy to know that hooking up a console like the PS5 or the Xbox to the X1 Pro is as simple as plugging it into the HDMI port. On the PS5, which I tried out, gameplay runs smoothly at 4K 60 frames per second with the projector taking full advantage of HDR and Dolby Atmos support. For its internals, the X1 Pro uses something called liquid cooling, which is the first time I've seen this kind of tech in a projector. I'm used to seeing this in PC builds, which generate a ton of heat, but it's great to see liquid cooling come into projectors. This means much less sound as there's no fans running, and it's expected to provide up to 15% more efficient heat dissipation. The X1 Pro was built to go beyond your living room. Roll it straight onto the grass with its all-terrain wheels, set up the included 200-inch inflatable screen, and you've got an insane backyard cinema setup. Unfortunately, the inflatable screen does not come bundled with the X1 Pro, but it is available as a separate accessory. It arrives in a black carry bag with wheels and a telescopic handle, making it easy to transport. Inside, you'll also find a battery-powered air pump that handles both inflation and deflation. Fully inflating the screen takes about 4 to 5 minutes, and deflating it takes roughly about the same time. Once it's set up, the screen includes built-in mounts on each side that let you lock in the X1 Pro's front speakers, lifting them off the ground for better placement. The display is framed with black borders for a cleaner, more defined look, and the entire screen can be stabilized using stakes, ropes, and water bags to keep it secure outdoors. These are all included with it as well. My backyard didn't require the extra stabilization, but I can see it being really useful in windy conditions. Oh, and it's washable, which is huge for long-term use. Movies outdoors feel massive, with surround sound and bass that shakes the entire ground and fills the air. This is a setup that's perfect for hosting watch parties, like say neighborhood game nights or family movie nights. There's also a Bluetooth speaker mode, like I said earlier, if you just want to stream music and use it like a regular old boombox. And of course, karaoke mode. Okay, so we've established that the X1 Pro isn't just another projector. It's an all-in-one entertainment system that replaces 3 different systems in one core suite design. You're getting theater-grade 4K laser visuals, a full 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos surround sound system, and dual wireless mics that turn any movie night into karaoke night. It's designed to work anywhere, whether that's in your living room or on a 200-inch inflatable screen outdoors. The smart features make setup easy for anyone, from AI spatial adaptation for the perfect picture to FlexWave audio calibration that adapts to your environment. And because everything is battery powered except the main unit, it's just a single cable setup. Normally you'd need a high-end projector, a dedicated surround sound system, and a karaoke speaker to get all of this, which would easily cost thousands and require a more complicated setup. The X1 Pro brings it all together in one complete package, far more affordable and way easier to set up and use. It's essentially a mobile cinema and party station that makes every gathering immersive and filled with joy and entertainment. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. Anyway, that's it for me on this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it useful. I'll catch you guys in my next one. It's Tommy, and I'm out, y'all.